Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create chat backup on Signal. So let's start. First open the Signal app. When the app opens you will see all of your conversations here. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and then tap on Settings. Then tap on Chats. And under Backup section you will see Chat Backups. Tap on that. And now you have to tap on Turn On and then tap on Choose Folder. By default, Downloads folder will open. You can create your backup to any folder on your phone you like. You will see each and every folder of your phone here. I'll just stick with Download. So I'll just open the Download folder again. And now all you have to do is tap on Allow Access to Download. And then tap on Allow. And you will see some passcodes to restore your backup from here. Now mark the checkbox and then tap on Enable Backups. And your backup will be created on the download folder. If you want to turn off your chat backups, then simply tap on Turn Off. And that's how you can create chat backup on Signal. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.